Have you ever wondered what A3 thinking is and why it's used? Well, you're in the right place to uncover the answers. A3 thinking is a problem-solving tool originating from Toyota. It's named after the international paper size A3, which is the size of the report that documents the process. The beauty of A3 thinking lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's a systematic approach to problem solving that cuts through complexity and focuses on what truly matters. And the best part? It can be utilized in any industry or field anywhere in the world. Whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, or even education, A3 thinking can be a game changer. Now let's delve into the heart of the matter, the 7 steps of A3 thinking. First up is problem identification. This is where the journey begins. Understand the problem thoroughly and define it clearly. Remember, a well-defined problem is half solved. The second step is current situation analysis. Here you gather data and facts about the current state of affairs. This isn't the time for assumptions or opinions. It's all about hard facts and evidence. Next comes the goal setting. This is where you identify the desired outcome. It's crucial to set clear, measurable goals. The fourth step is root cause analysis. This is where you dig deep to uncover the real cause of the problem. Tools like the 5 whys and fishbone diagram can be handy here. Moving on to the 5th step, countermeasures. This is where you propose solutions to address the root cause. The key is not just to treat the symptoms, but to eliminate the cause. The 6th step is implementation. Put your countermeasures into action. It's important to track progress and adjust as needed. Finally, the 7th step, follow up and review. Evaluate the effectiveness of your actions and learn from the process. Continuous improvement is the name of the game. So how can you summarize A3 thinking? Think of it as a structured yet flexible approach to problem solving. It emphasizes on understanding the problem, finding the root cause, and implementing effective solutions. It promotes collaboration, transparency, and continuous learning. But above all, A3 thinking is about mindset. It's about asking the right questions, challenging assumptions, and striving for better. It's not just about solving problems, it's about learning and growing in the process. So, give A3 thinking a try. It might just be the tool you need to tackle your next big challenge. Remember, every problem is an opportunity in disguise, and with A3 thinking, you'll be well equipped to seize these opportunities. So go ahead, embrace A3 thinking, and watch as problems turn into possibilities.